question is about logarithmic functions. By sketching a suitable pair of graphs, show that the equation ln x equals 3x minus x squared has one real root. So we have to sketch two graphs, the left hand side ln x and the right hand side 3x minus x squared. So for ln x, this is the basic shape of an ln graph. We have to somehow know this or memorize this. Now for the 3x minus x squared, you can start by factoring out the x or minus x. So we have minus x squared plus 3x. Actually here we're just factoring out minus x. So from here you can find the x-intercepts. So if you solve this equals 0, we get x equals 0, which is this x-intercept, and from x minus 3 equals 0, we will get x equals 3, which is this x-intercept. So we have the two x-intercepts and negative x squared term, so minus x squared term. That means the graph opens downwards, so it's going to be like this. Okay, so we have the shapes. Now we combine for the final answer. So just draw the two graphs on the same set of axes like this, combine them, and label the intersection point. So we should have only one intersection because there's only one real root of the equation. Now verify by calculation that the root lies between. So this is about the test of sign change. So to find the testing function, we just use the original equation and we move everything to one side. So we're moving ln x to the right here. So this is the function we need to use. We replace the x with 2 and then 2.8, then use a calculator. We should get something positive, something negative, and then draw a conclusion. Sign change exists because we have something positive, something negative. Therefore, just rewrite this part of the question. The root lies between. Use the iterative formula. So we follow the instruction here. We use 3x minus ln x basically. But for the x value, we start with the average of the two values we verified before. So we know that the root is between 2 and 2.8. We can just use the average exactly in the middle between 2 and 2.8. So we add and then divide by 2. We get the average, which is 2.4. This would be our initial guess or our first iteration. So you use a calculator and we get this value. So in 4 decimal places. And then don't clear everything in the calculator, just go back and replace the 2.4 with the answer button. And then press the equal sign, you should get this value. And from here on, just press the equal sign again and again and again, and you will get the other values. So we have to keep going until we have exactly the same result when we round off to 2 decimal places. So we have to keep going until around here, because now we always get 2.63 in 2 decimal places. Now if you keep pressing the equal button, you will get this more accurate result. So this is the last value you see on your calculator display after you keep pressing equal sign many times until the number doesn't change anymore. This is the converge value. So in conclusion, we are sure that it converges, and in 2 decimal places the answer is 2.63. Alright, I'll see you again next time.